Hello guys, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. By the way, if you're seeing me for the first time in this year, Happy New Year! Yeah, I'm glad you made it. You and I made it to the year 2023. I wish you all the best in this year, and I wish you lots of congratulations this year. In this video guys, I'll be doing unboxing for you of my New Year packages. Yep, I should have done this video I think a little bit earlier than now, but I was waiting for the last package to arrive so we can do the unboxing together. So guys, let's do this. Okay guys, I'm going to start first with the small box, and let's see, I probably might not need my scissors because this unboxing is quite easy, so I'll start from this arrow. And this is the first item that we have. Let's go ahead and unbox that. What I did guys was to customize my initials on the casing. So guys, let's move on to the next box. Look what we've got, guys. You see what I'm seeing? Gosh, this is so slick. That is what we have. So guys, let's move on to the next box. Guys, let's connect the AirPods Pro. Gosh, I love this. Thank you guys for watching. Let me flaunt this, please. It's not easy because this has actually done good damage to my wallet, but then I don't see this as a damage. I see this as an investment because I actually got this gift for myself for the start of a new program. Like, I'm starting on my PhD program next year, and I just decided to gift myself this baby boy right here, and this will be for my work, for productivity, and probably life in general, like any other things I need to do also. So guys, cheers to the new year, cheers to me, and of course, cheers to us. Thank you guys for watching with me the unboxing of these guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then guys, stay tuned. Peace.